Hello my friends, welcome to Train Weekends. Today is 7th of April 2025. So today people call it Black Monday, Red Monday, but I call it Black Friday sale. Bursa dropped over 60 points. Big drop. Singapore dropped 8%. Bursa dropped now 4 point something percent. Hong Kong dropped 13%. South Korea 5% drop. Japan 7% drop. China FTSE 6% drop. China SSE 7% drop. China SXSE 9% drop. Okay, so you know lah, you know what's going on. Okay, for me, if you really follow my course secret value investing, you'll be sleeping laughing lah. Okay, so that is why when you have the kung fu, we are different. People are fearful now. I am so happy, right? I just went holiday. I am fresh. I got bullet. So a good opportunity lah. Of course when market crash okay, for me lah. Okay, so those of you already joined the course, I congratulate you lah. I congratulate you. Remember I said, and before end of last year, I really clear both of it. I really play short term, get some coffee money, petrol money here and there. Okay, I'm waiting for the big one. Okay, I already collect the big one through all the rebound since this COVID rebound. Okay, 2022 start rebound, 2020 COVID 2022 start rebound. I already changed all the AAX, all those many lah. AAX GCB lah, SB Setia, all those Okay, then I already sold, right? I told you, right? I already sold. Okay, then I'm waiting for the after sold. Then I collect the next one. I take the profit. Okay, after the big collect, the big collect. Okay, the big sell. Okay, Bursa. Then the next one, or the big ang pao from Bursa. And then the next one is what? Remember the big ang pao from crypto, right? Remember we collect at 30, Bitcoin at 20, over 30,000 start until 100, right? I said 100 you can start to sell, right? Okay, there collect another ang pao. Now I want to wait for the next one. Hopefully next one coming. I already prepare the bullet, right? This one a really big crash. Okay, so those of you already have the kung fu. 999. You can have a kung fu for your lifetime, right? Okay. You cannot. It is so cheap. I also don't know why I sell it so cheap because I want everybody to learn. Everybody lose money my friend all lose money. I want them to learn the proper way to invest and can secure a long term income for you So that's why learn, and I just gonna tell you this secret Okay, for this auto profit course, right? Probably I will do one more class end of the year. Okay, and that's it. Okay, I will not continue teaching but I got too many students already too many students already. So probably I do one more year end. That's it. For those who haven't attended Zoom class, don't worry. I got so many Zoom class recording for you Don't worry. If you subscribe until now, so you haven't attend Zoom class, you don't have time to attend Zoom class, don't worry. I got the recording. Okay, every Zoom class I got recording. Okay, so I will do one more. Okay, the most I think I will do one more end of the year. Other later, I will still do video. Don't worry. YouTube I will still do. But the auto profit course, probably I do one more end of this year. Then no more already. So if you really want to learn the kung fu, okay, if you really this time I tell you early you tell it early. If you haven't have the budget all these thing, you have to start budgeting for all this for all this opportunity so probably one more after that I will not do already. Just let you know first Okay, I got too many students to reply to take care of. Okay, a quick disclaimer first before continue. Disclaimer. Be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including without limitation to any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Okay, so for those of you already know my secret, probably lah, you can you have the opportunity to enjoy life probably like me lah. So every day do whatever you want, sleep until whatever you want, go anywhere anytime you want, and don't need to go 9 to 6 every day, drag yourself up to work, face all the issue for people, solve all the issue for people, okay, then come back, left 1 hour with the children, you already cannot tahan, already want to already want to knock off already, right? So you got okay, so take this opportunity lah. One more class end of the year, and that's it. Okay, of course YouTube I will still do lah. YouTube is every day I have to learn Kung Fu lah. I learn Kung Fu, I have to practice Kung Fu every day. Every day I have to monitor, go through the stock, everything. While I learn Kung Fu, or I do my practice every day, right? I do my homework, learn my Kung Fu, improve my Kung Fu. I will also share it with you lah. Also win-win lah, win-win condition, right? Win-win situation lah. Okay, so look at the market lah, global market. Okay, now is market very close lah. Now is 4:13 lah. But you know what is going on lah. No need to no need to wait until market close lah. Now is 1434 lah. Okay, drop 69 points today up to now lah. Okay, 4.617% which is not too bad compared to others Singapore dropped 8.055%, Hong Kong big drop 13.661%, South Korea dropped 5.566%, Japan dropped 7.827%, Thailand dropped 3.150%, China FTSE dropped 6.024%, China SSE dropped 7.344%, and China SSE dropped 9.659%. So some of you say, okay, China can retaliate with US, to fight with US. Of course they can. They are big. Okay, they are big economy, but you have to understand, right? US is the biggest buyer in the world. China is the biggest producer in the world. Okay, producer, okay, need buyer, right? Producer, as a producer, need the buyer. But customer is always right. Remember this word, right? When you learn marketing. So US is the biggest customer in the world, right? China is the biggest seller in the world. So customer is always, even though you want to fight with the customer, you cannot you cannot do it over until you lose the biggest customer in the world, right? Okay, so there will be retaliation but at the end of the day I think the retaliation will be controlled They will not all out go and fight with the US I don't think so. Of course they will retaliate. Of course the government have to show that they are strong also cannot be kena pinched by US, they shut up, don't do anything. Of course they have to show but at the end of the day I think they will shake hands and say, okay, we negotiate. I think I'm not saying guarantee will happen negotiate, okay, compensate a bit, so win-win. US win a bit more business from sell more thing to China, and China also retain the biggest customer so I think it will happen like that I do think so Then the market will very fast will rebound. This is what I hope for, and I think there's a possibility that it could happen like that. Okay, because there is the rule of thumb in business, right? Customer is always right? And US is the biggest customer. That's why Trump there to do all these tariff, all these things, because he know he is the biggest customer in the world. Customer is always right. That is the rule of thumb in business, right? So I mean, you like it or don't like it, it's up to you Okay, you don't like it, what I explain to you, what I think Okay, like it, but remember, investment, we don't use the like or don't like to invest. People who use, because most people use like and don't like to invest, and most people lose money. Okay, so we have to invest, use Kung Fu, use your strategy, skill, and Okay, and these are my strategy lah, auto profit and secret value investing strategy lah. Okay, you have to know when, or you have to know market condition. What is the possibility? I mean, what is a low? What is a high? What is market no momentum? All this you have to understand. This is big one. Okay. Okay, China, a lot of countries they have to show lah, because in their government, right, they have to show that they have teeth lah, or else the people will lose faith in the government, so have to show lah. But end of the day, never settle any big dispute one. At the end of the day, all the big dispute end with negotiation one. Like you see, Ukraine, Russia, no end one. The war no end one. You see, fought until how many years, never end one. At the end of the day, still have to go negotiate lah. So now Trump is trying to negotiate. At least somebody is trying to negotiate lah. Rather than you let them fight, give them bullet every day, kill everybody, right? Kill each other. Europe give bullet lah, US give bullet lah. Russia don't need lah. They are making bullet themselves. So they are making bullet, killing each other every day only. Okay. Rather than now, at least they are trying to find a way, and people are condemning them lah. All these things. I don't know lah what to condemn, right? Condemning the Donald Trump lah, trying to stop the war. I mean, what to condemn, right? If you are a human, right? Okay, are you want to condemn Donald Trump is trying to stop the war, right? This is very funny, right? Okay, well, every day bullet flying, everyone dying, right? For non-stop, no reason, right? Because now you see the who is right, who is wrong, you don't know already, right? The war is still continue, but nobody want to give a single step, right? Okay, step back. So somebody have to go there and settle the issue in the middle, at the middleman to settle the issue, right? Okay, whether you like, you don't like, this is all this war have to be done like that one. So I mean, what to condemn, right? If the war end one day, maybe one day early, maybe you save 100, 200, 300, maybe 1,000 lives, right? So all this, I mean, that's very weird lah. I see all this politics lah. Okay, US politics is very weird. Okay. Okay, Europe, FTSE dropped 4.802 points. And not yet open. I think open Europe will be worse lah. Last week one, this one is 6.1, DAX is 6.019. I think it will drop even worse lah. Dow Jones dropped 5.503% last week. NYSE dropped 6.120%. S&P dropped 5.975%, and Nasdaq dropped 5.817% lah. Okay. So US, I think, could crash some more lah. All these are opportunity lah. Okay, all these are opportunity lah. Okay, crude palm oil 4,791. Brent oil 63, crude oil 59 lah. Because all these could, when there is a risk of recession, right, oil will drop lah. Gold also drop a bit lah. Okay, as I said lah, liquidation, market drop, liquidation, they have to sell gold lah. Silver also 29 drop. US dollar went up lah. Safe haven, right? Okay, 4.44695. Bitcoin dropped to 75. Ethereum dropped to 1459. So all these are probably, I told you, already finished scoring, right? Okay. Bursa went up a bit lah. 62 lah now lah. You know lah, the guardian angel will go and support lah. Maybe you go up even a bit more lah. 4.913 billion lah today, big selling lah. Okay, sentiment is 7 lah, quite bad. Foreign fund last week last Friday still another sell 330 million. Local institution bought 261 million, and retail sales 69 million lah. Okay. Look at this look at this. Wow, this is the worst I have seen lah. Okay, the heat map lah. Worst I have seen lah. Don't panic first lah. I mean, you saw when I already said remember I put the army running, right? So many times you still haven't, you're still holding a ton. I mean, what else you want me to do, right? Okay, I already put, you remember Facebook, I already put Mr. Bean running. I already put this Mr. Bean running a few times, right? One is running sideways, one is running downstairs. I put the army running, bomb everywhere, exploding. So I already put all this so many times, again and again and again and again, right? Okay. So finally happened, right? Okay. I say it's near. I say the dark cloud is near, right? But I'm not saying now. I say maybe not exactly. We don't know what exactly time it will hit, but we know it will very near any time the thunderstorm will come. I told you, right? Okay. So I'm fishing at the shore, right? I'm no more the boat, taking the big boat into the deep ocean, right? When the big wave come, you finish. And now the big wave come already. So this is what I was trying to tell you, lah. Okay. What will happen? What could happen, lah? Okay. Okay. Look at the sector. Construction dropped 9.41, 9.41, imagine. Okay. Consumer dropped 4.32, energy dropped 11.48, finance dropped 3.94, all in percentage, healthcare dropped 5.69, industry dropped 8.07, plantation dropped 3.26, property dropped 7.61, REIT dropped 4.06, technology dropped 14.18, telco dropped 4.78, and transportation dropped 7.04, utilities dropped 5.04. So it's a crash, okay. Look at the sector, KLCI. Okay, now KLCI, they are trying to push it out, Remember I told you KLCI moving towards 1,004, right? I said, right? Remember? Okay, I said this pattern probably the break, this pattern probably the break is going to 1,004. So today it reached almost like, today it went to the bottom almost like 1418. So it's very close to 1,004 now. They're trying to push it out. Okay. Ace market also gap down. Okay. I think once the negotiation clear, right, I think this one will be a very quick drop. Probably will have a quick rebound. So if you know the kung fu, then probably you can benefit, but don't worry, I will share in my YouTube channel, don't worry. Okay, don't worry. But if you already attend the course, you know exactly what I know. You know exactly what I know. How I look, how I filter, how when I collect, when I sell, all these things, all you will know. Okay. And if you really miss it, there's only one more. I will do one more only. That's it. Okay. Okay, so I think probably this will be probably drop maybe until here 13. Today drop 7.81 points, 7.81%. Mid cap, Ace market drop 9.4. Small cap also drop 8.3. Small cap, the big support is here. Maybe you drop a little bit more the market. That could be, could reach a short-term bottom. I'm not saying long-term. Maybe a short-term bottom here. Okay, we want to wait and see. Look at construction. I told you that double top already broke the neckline. So you will maybe rebound a bit. Maybe it will drop. I think the market, right, will hit the bottom. You see, these are the sample that I use to navigate to monitor when BURSA is probably hit the bottom. Most of these pattern, right, need to be completed. So when it complete, do the bottom half done, means the construction already come back to 201, right? Already complete the head and the double top. Then there is a signal, tell us that, okay, this construction has dropped to have completed the pattern, which means probably the bear market probably already finished. Okay, so that's why consumer so big drop consumer also near the support already maybe consumer maybe drop a bit more to here. Have to wait and see. Energy broke support, so not end yet. I think the bear market probably energy will drop a bit lower to this area maybe this 613 or 521 healthcare. Okay, healthcare also didn't benefit. That's why I said don't simply jump in, right? I said don't simply jump in, right? I told you don't simply jump in. Okay, don't simply jump in. Okay, 1, 2, 3, it could drop even lower. Finance also. Once we see this force break, we say cannot already. So finance continue break, drop 3.9%. Healthcare 5.8%. Industry probably hit because of E&E, right? All those electronic company. Okay, so this one you could even fall lower. Plantation. Plantation also cannot tahan once the global recession start. If trigger global recession, finish also. Less oil lah. Property okay. Already broke the double top, already broke the neckline. So I think it will probably drop to here. Once it drop, complete the model, right? Complete the pattern. Then maybe it's a signal of the end of the bear market. Double top, right? So it will come down probably around here. This one maybe will slow down a bit. Technology, right? 1, 2, 3 break. Okay, so it could be coming to the bottom channel, maybe a bit lower. Okay. Okay, you could end up at the bottom, around the bottom channel here. Maybe it's a bottom already. Maybe we have to wait and see whether it make reversal pattern or not lah. Telco also lah, just broke. I think telco will drop lower. Transportation also. Transportation probably support area is very near already. This area lah, I think probably drop a bit more. Then there will be could be a rebound. I'm not saying long term, maybe a short term. Okay, short term rebound. Utilities maybe drop here 1478. Okay. So if the global market managed to negotiate with US and come up with all these balanced tariff lah. Now it's now the balance this trade between US and many countries are not balanced means US is buying from them much more than they are buying from US. So once they hit this balance, right, I think the fear will dissipate and the market could rebound very fast. So you have to look at all these opportunity, right? Don't just look at all these people say Black Monday, all these things, you run and hide, right? Okay, then you will never find, you will never catch the fish. Okay, the big fish lah. Okay, because when the big fish come out, you are hiding, right? Okay. Where were we? Okay. Let's look at Facebook. Facebook today blow up. Remember I said here, right? Okay, remember that I said KLCI probably heading towards 1,004, right? So you see, it's dropping near the 1,004. A lot of comment today. Cheap stock will last for this week. We have to wait and see lah. We cannot simply just predict. We have to look at the chart, look at the reversal pattern lah. 1,002 below, probably I don't think so lah. 1,002 is too far lah. But I think 1,004 around maybe lah. Okay, maybe you have a rebound. If you have further after a rebound, right? Market found that okay, the consequences is getting worse, then it will drop again. Then maybe lah. Any comment buying Bitcoin? I don't think so. Bitcoin, I think now it's in bear market. Won't say now like this condition, draw what line also no use lah. Now support line is very important. Don't forget. That's why. Okay. Jimmy, all drop lah. Malaysia also drop lah. Yes, boss. 1,000. Faizal, 1,004 better low lah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. A lot of students they know lah. Okay. Can KLCI hold 1,004? We have to wait and see lah. Nobody know that's why we have to see the chart lah. Wong say can buy, can start to buy those good company. Because Warren Buffett say, right? Warren Buffett say, be fearful when people are greedy, be greedy when people are fearful lah. Okay, I think market is still too early. Now it's too early to know whether it's going to continue to drop or it's going to reverse. We have to wait and see what the tariff negotiation between now. Trump say 15. Not Trump. I think it's the one of the minister lah, U.S. minister. I think it's I think Besson. I think. Let me check. I think this secretary Commerce Secretary, Commerce Secretary Lutnick, okay, Lutnick, Howard Lutnick, I think is the name, said that already 50 country. I don't, him or Besson, either one, okay, the Treasury Secretary, either one saying there's already 50 starting to negotiate, okay, negotiate the tariff. What is this? Terry. Painful hand, Ji Young, you rock. Jimmy, jump water, okay. Today a lot response, today is like that, boom. Today, if you're holding a lot of stock, you will look like that, okay. And they say, look at the power. BURSA already dropped to 14141,426. BURSA can go home sleep or something like that. This Terry say this time the movie already hangus already the market. Ji Young say very scary. Now eating popcorn. He say he run really long time now eating popcorn and can't watch the show Okay, John Sniper fall down Vincent boom really boom look at this 42 comment. What bets to buy? Not so fast. Have to wait for the tariff negotiation. Then when we see the KLCI starting to make a bottom pattern, then only we're gonna look into the sector. See which sector. We're gonna go through the sector first to see which sector start to rebound. Then only we go into the stock, right? Okay, the stock within the sector Also many discount stock for us to pick Clement, happy Chinese New Year. Ang Gu Gui, the red color, the red color, this Gui. And they say this is really red last time it's fake one, not the real red now it's really red the real red Is this recession we have to wait and see this just starting to drop Got Zilong, hockey, got Zilong, thought it's red ang bao. Another red sea Hans and Gerard. Hot Chai Liao. Gerard gonna pick bottom already, right? Lai Xiafen, Lao Sư na. Ask me to do one pick this a potential pick bottom video Okay we do but when we need to when I see the opportunity come Gerard sea of red. Sin. Malaysia is dive water champion all red. Can go in now or still early. Wait for the negotiation first because the tariff the actual now only start the 10% tariff. The new reciprocal tariff is after 9, so there could be another dive, right? John done waiting for opportunity to buy Benny. What's this
全球
On the day of the global stock market crash, will a great economic depression follow?
We have to wait whether it's all out trade war or negotiation. If negotiation, I think will not be a depression. If all out trade war, China, everything, Euro, EU, everything fight with US, then maybe Marcus say one day play Francine, wait for my tip when is good opportunity Kelvin be patient wait after 9 April maybe another drop correct this one Kelvin Okay, 9 April there will be the actual tariff lah. Okay. Jenny want to sell crypto. I think crypto already a break drop maybe already happened and I think not a good time to sell the market sell the crypto market. Tam. Đại時代. Wong. This is during the crash, right? Okay, ringgit drop lah. Esmond. Wait, happy because drop until the opportunity lah. These are the okay. So a lot of my students you see their mentality, their these investing mentality, right? Have to change first. Okay, then you apply your kung fu, then you will be successful. So you see their mentality will change, right? You see the market drop, they are all happy, right? They are different. Okay, so once I'm very happy I managed to change all your mentality and how you look at the market So these are the one that will be successful Okay, full say crash. You Sandy Zhai say the opportunity come already. All these you see they really managed to. First, the mindset, not mentality, mindset. I have to change the mindset first. Then, once the mindset change, then you apply your kung fu, then you'll be successful. A lot of people, they cannot change their mindset. They have to follow the crowd, means follow everyone else. Most of everyone else lose money. They are following those because they want to be part of the pack, right? Well, you are part of the pack. You only be as successful as the pack. Which in stock market, the pack most of the time are losing money. Black Monday, Peter. Any recommend? Watch the video lah. Okay, don't worry, I'll do the video. Hong Se Lam is heart It's love Red color is love. Danny look like Chinese New Year. Red all red Siu say all red Vincent say dive water 50% lost already money. Ji Young eating popcorn, market boring. Faiza Ping okay. Wait it's waiting. Okay, tahan dulu, tak lau. No John Sniper red color. LV say, is it time to wait for those stocks they're going to rebound a few 100%? I think few 100 is not. I don't think it will reach. It will have few 100 Because the big crash baru happen I mean this is a crash. I think this is a small one. Once we manage to negotiate the tariff, it will rebound. But I don't think it will be a very very big one not few 100%. I don't think. I don't think so But anything could happen Okay. The market really went up very high I think it will need a further drop. Okay, even a rebound I don't think it will go 100. Maybe it will go a bit, but it will sideways slow down a bit. I don't think after this tariff all this the market, I mean the US will go another big bull market. I doubt so because US bull market already jalan too far already, right? Lily say really is really crisis I just want to sit here and die. Okay don't opportunity coming Nick. What's that? Mayday, John Sniper. My goodness. Okay. 14 comment. Today no top gainers no, don't even think about it Okay. We just go to the news Any counter recommend buy from bottom? Not so soon Cash. Gerard. SGX 100 point Okay, lagi kau Andy. morning market already koyak already say. Market drop, is it time to pick bottom? We have to wait not so fast one patience Okay. we have still the 9, after the 9, or we have to see what happened, or the negotiation, and after the 9, the actual tariff start to implement what happened. Red. Not bad. No need to ask God. BURSA 1,000 point, not a dream anymore, I don't say. Scared. Entering bear market, Nick Hans, 100 points coming soon. Sven, what's this? May God bless America. What is going on? Horson. Rico, nothing much happened. Luis, go. Diana, bye. Not scared. Key, shaking. Guan Hui. Bear coming. We have to wait for the negotiation. If the negotiation is swift, the market will have a swift rebound. But if the escalation continue, trade war continue, then the bear market might not finish. Okay, I mean, it could be, we could have a bigger dive. Okay.
Market plunge drags FBM KLCI down over 5%, as East Asian markets sink on trade war concerns. Gold drops to 3.5-week low as market sell-off hits bullion. Half of Malaysia's E&E exports to US at risk of 24% reciprocal tariff.
Okay, so do take note of this one. Semiconductor exempted, but a lot of this, we also got a lot of E&E company export to US.
KJTS unit wins chilled water plant project for Thai resort.
Okay. Around 25 million ringgit. KJTS double top already. See here, right? Double top. Also koyak already. Okay. This one the rebound fail. Okay. It did not break 1.4, starting to come down, and once it broke 1.01 ringgit, already koyak already, this one. Okay, koyak. Cannot.
Toyota to boost EV models to 15, targets producing 1 million by 2027, Nikkei says.
Okay, so Toyota is coming with EV. Okay, now it's mostly Chinese EV and Tesla. And some of these are European EV, which is very expensive.
Zafrul seeks US clarification on 24% tariff, denies 47% tariff on US goods.
Also, they're not going to retaliate on the rumors saying at 47%. What they call it, retaliation, but I doubt so. Okay.
Malaysia is seeking clarification from the US over the basis of a 24% retaliatory tariff on its exports, denying claims that the country imposed a 47% tariff on US goods, according to Investment.
Recently
Trade and Industry Minister Tengku Datuk Seri Zafrul Abdul Aziz.
Recently, the US invested a lot of money in Malaysia AI system, right? AI data center, all this. I doubt they will go and fight some more. I doubt they will go and fight with the US. I'm not saying I must be right, but I doubt because lately all the this data center this US company invested a lot in Malaysia. The AI platform, all this thing.
Foreign investors pulled RM31.68B from Asian markets last week. South Korea saw heaviest selling.
Okay. Asian market 26.68 billion. Okay. Selling.
Kerjaya Prospect unit bags RM291.4 mil contract from E&O in Penang.
Okay, 291 million Pulau Adaman service apartment. Okay, si Kerjaya kerja a lot of project. But dropping lah, already broke support already ah. Okay, so looks like it's dropping ah. Okay.
US tariffs to impact palm oil demand and prices, says CIMB Securities.
Okay, a quick message before I continue ah. Remember, like, share, comment, support the channel. Okay, all the links are at the description area. Link to CGS, iTrade, TradingView, and this Luno. Okay, you use my link. You can get some reward, some discount, all these things. So you want to open account with CGS to invest Malaysia, Singapore, Hong Kong, US market. Okay, you can try CGS. My friend is a reminder, very friendly guy. Okay, if you want to buy crypto down there, the Luno, you want to open this TradingView, this chart software that I'm using you can try the free version, paid version also can. You use my link okay. Okay, one more news, then we have to wrap up already. Okay, because there's no top gainer today. Don't even think about it
Corporate exercise in the offing at POS Malaysia.
Okay, so these they might diversify exploring diversification, all these things. So this one.
DRB HICOM BHD, KL, DRBHCOM, is said to be exploring options to restructure its 53.49% owned unit POS Malaysia BHD, KL, POS, which has been bleeding red ink for nearly 6 years. The diversified conglomerate may form a partnership with a European party to revive the Postal Group's courier service division. Sources familiar with the matter tell The Edge.
Okay, that's why Post. Okay, so there is probably partnership with European, all these things so it still drop so we have to wait. That's why we have to wait for the second wave. So whether we can get or not For now still we have to wait whether it can rebound here or not. Okay, support is here If it rebound here, maybe worth a look. Okay, and if it rebound, especially if it turn around, okay, if break this high means it's maybe it already make double bottom for long term. Okay, 28 cents okay, 28 cents. For now, you have to wait and see first. Okay, so that's it for today. There's no top gainers. Don't even think about it. So I'll talk to you again tomorrow. See what happened. What happened in Europe today. What happened in US tonight, and what are the further negotiation between all the other country and the US. Okay, I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye bye.